Good morning, ma'am. A very good morning, my students. I want to wish you a very happy Children's Day. Ma'am, what is Children's Day? Children's Day is celebrated to increase the awareness of the rights, care and education of the children. When we are celebrating Children's Day, it is celebrated on 14th November every year as a tribute to India's first Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru. Why we are calling Jawaharlal Nehru as Chacha Nehru, ma'am? Because Nehru was very famous among children. That's why children used to call him Chacha Nehru. Oh, ma'am, it's great. And you should also take inspiration from Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and walk on his footprints. Wishing you a very successful journey of your life and wishing you again a very happy Children's Day.